Understanding, go on record against, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in news, debates, or formal discussions. Go on record against. Understanding this phrase can help you grasp the nuances of English expressions, especially in formal and political contexts. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Go on record against is a phrase that combines a few concepts. First, go on record means to state your opinion or position publicly and officially. It's like saying, I want everyone to know this is what I think. When you add against at the end, it specifies that the opinion or position is in opposition to something, such as a policy, proposal, or idea. This phrase is commonly used in formal contexts, such as political debates, official statements, or legal discussions. It indicates a strong, public opposition to something. For example, a politician might go on record against a new law they believe is harmful. It's a way of taking a stand and making your opposition known to the public. When using this phrase, it's important to be clear about what you are opposing. The structure typically goes like this: we go on record against the thing being opposed. Make sure to follow it with a clear explanation of why you are against it, to provide context and strengthen your position. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use go on record against. A city council member might say, I go on record against the proposed increase in property taxes because it unfairly burdens our low-income residents. An environmental activist could state, we go on record against the new factory being built near the river, due to the potential harm to local wildlife. In a corporate setting, a CEO might declare, our company goes on record against any form of workplace discrimination, committed to fostering an inclusive environment. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, go on record against. It's a powerful way to express firm opposition to something, especially in formal or public settings. Remember, when you use this phrase, you're not just stating your opinion, you're making it a part of public record, something people can refer back to. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!